You don't want vaccines nor to be vaccinated.
You want optimal health.
And you want good vibrations with some humor. And because we're Dutch, we sometimes talk weird in English.
Yes, we do. And there's a lot of negative media. You could use a laugh.
Yes.
But let me be very clear. We are also sensitive and serious when it comes to it.
You're damn right.
My name is Joren.
My name is Matthijs.
And we are going to help you.
Welcome to 𝐂𝐎𝐕𝐈𝐃 𝐃-𝐬𝐿.
Our mission is to optimize human health.
How? By sharing knowledge and experiences to grow human consciousness.
So, what are we going to share this Corona times?
Let me tell you, Joren. Corona statistics.
Corona health tips and tricks.
Corona facts.
Corona quarantine checks with calls and/or visits.
Expert interviews starting with Thomas van Doorn, who is a mitochondria expert.
Marije Berkelaar, first medicine-free doctor in the Netherlands.
Abdel Ziamari, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu purple belt who had a car accident and got more over the 30 surgeries. And he has an insane hero's journey and he's healthy again, so inspiring dude.
And he is alive?
He is alive and well.
And he comes to here?
He comes to here, yes.
Does that float your boat?
Then subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
You can also check out the content we already have on Injured Dumbass YouTube channel.
And if you have any other suggestions for guests or any other great ideas, then please let us know down below. Oké, dat was hem. Dan hebben we de intro.